Hey loves, it's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all how to achieve a 3-strand twist out on natural hair. Let's go ahead and get started. As usual, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I almost always do my twist outs and my braid outs on wet hair because the hairstyle will last so much longer that way. So here I am just sectioning off the bottom portion of my hair and then clipping the rest away. For my leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk, which is super lightweight on my hair. It is a great leave-in conditioner and it provides a ton of moisture. So I like to take a quarter-sized amount of leave-in conditioner and then rake it through my hair. My styler of choice for the 3-strand twist out is the Camaros Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. This styler also provides a ton of moisture and has a great hold. So again, I will just rake the product through my hair and then detangle my hair with a Denman brush. Next, section your hair into 3 pieces like you would do for a braid out, but instead of braiding, you are simply going to take the piece that is farthest to the left and then bring it around and over the other 2 pieces. And then again, you'll take the farthest left piece and bring it over again the other 2 pieces. And you just continue to do this over and over and over until you have reached the very end of the twist. So again, just grab the furthest left piece, bring it around, furthest left piece, bring it around. And what I'm saying might not make sense at first, so I'll show you guys step by step one more time what I mean, but trust me, it gets super easy once you get the motion down. Once I reach the bottom of my twist, I make sure the ends are smooth and then I twirl the ends around my finger to form the perfect curl. And that's it. That's how you do a 3-strand twist out, and this is how it looks up close and personal. The way the twist out looks compared to a 2-strand twist is different, and the results are definitely different, so you guys will see that later on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not too hard. So let's go ahead and move on to the next twist. So the section of hair is divided into 3 pieces. So I grab the piece that is farthest to the left and bring it over and around the other pieces. Then grab the next piece that is farthest to the left and bring it over and around and do that all the way down my hair. And if I have to, I will sit there in my head and say left, left, left. If that helps you out, go ahead and do it. But I promise it gets easier as you go through the process. It just kind of takes some getting used to the motion because, of course, your brain naturally wants to do a braid instead of a 3-strand twist out. But if you keep telling yourself left, left, you'll get it down. Trust me. Oh, and one more thing, a key to creating the best 3-strand twist out is to pull the hair as taut as you can when you're twisting because it'll keep the roots from getting frizzy. Also, try your best to make sure all 3 pieces are the exact same size because you don't want to have to borrow hair from a different piece while twisting, because if you do, you will get tangles the next day and your hair will get frizzy a lot faster. So just try to keep your pieces of hair the exact same size, so that way everything is all even and you don't have to worry about borrowing hair from other pieces, and it's just a lot neater and a lot more defined that way. All right, now let's do those exact same steps throughout the rest of your hair until all of your hair is twisted. And whatever you do, do not forget to add your leave-in conditioner and your styling cream to each section of hair because our hair needs moisture. This is how my 3-strand twists are looking, and I must say they are looking nice and juicy and just full of moisture. By the way, the white residue does go away on its own, so don't worry about that. It will not be there in the morning. So now I'm going to let my hair air dry overnight, and I will be back to show you guys the takedown process. So it is now the next day and my hair is 100% dry. I always make sure that my hair is dry before I'm twisting because frizz will definitely happen and your hairstyle will not last as long. To unravel my twist, I like to apply a bit of the Miel Organics Mint Almond Oil to my hands and then smooth it onto the twist to add a bit of shine to my twist and prevent frizz. Now it is time to unravel my twist, and I don't do this in any fancy way, but I do make sure to untwist from the bottom and work my way upwards towards the root, because if I do it the opposite, I am bound to get some tangling. And here's a close-up shot, you guys, of my hair after my twists are down. And can y'all see the definition? Like, the amount of definition is ridiculous, especially with the 3-strand twist out. So although it may seem similar to a 2-strand twist out, I promise you guys the definition is 10 times more defined this way. So now that all of my twists are unraveled, I'm simply going to just go through my hair and separate the pieces as they naturally fall and just separate. And I just keep doing this gently until there are no more chunky pieces left. And also I do apply a bit more oil to my hands while doing this to help keep the frizzies away. You guys can see here how bouncy my curls are and how defined, shiny, and moisturized my hair is. I seriously love doing 3-strand twist outs, and I don't get as much shrinkage whenever I do this style, and you guys know by now that I am all for that. So it's definitely worth doing a 3-strand twist out, in my personal opinion, in comparison to a 2-strand twist out, depending on what look you're going for. Before I end the video, I want to show you all my nighttime routine, which only takes a few seconds of my time. I just grab a few satin scrunchies and I put my hair in 3 to 4 mini pineapples, just depending on how my hair is parted, and that is literally it. I will put on a satin scarf around my edges to help protect those, and I will also put on a satin bonnet to protect the rest of my hair, but that is literally all that I do, you guys. It takes probably 5 seconds max. In the morning, I will just take down the mini pineapples and fluff and shake my hair, and I am out the door. So simple and so easy. And there you have it. That is how I achieve a 3-strand twist out along with my nighttime routine. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you guys did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys, as always, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.